Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you. Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Unboxing Time. It's not unboxing time. It's instant noodle recipe time. I just did an unboxing time. And I'm going to show you what to do with some instant noodles. I got some that came from South Korea. This is a new packaging design for Paldo Jjol. Jjol. So basically, it's like Bibim, but the noodles are chewier. And I want to thank Mr. Choi for cluing me in about the correct how that's the way it is. He's a buddy of mine who's worked for this company and now is gonna open his own ramen shop, so that's pretty rad. Hopefully I'll get to go to the grand opening, and if that happens, that's gonna be cool and you're gonna hear about it. So cross them fingers. Now these are gonna cook for 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, bam. BAM! So how are you doing today? It's Monday here. Like I said, I just did an unboxing time video. This new box I hadn't heard of before, called My Ramen Box. It's pretty good. There's a decent amount of varieties in there, and they're good quality, and they're all from different countries. Excuse me. I don't think there was anything from Japan in there at all. Which usually that's like either it's all or something, you know. This one had Nepal, India, Malaysia, a couple from South Korea, Taiwan. That's pretty good. I mean, for a I think it was $19.99. You can go to myramenbox.com and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider. They'll give you half off your first box. So. Very nice of them. Like I said, it's Monday. Last Monday was Martin Luther King's Day, and Miles had the day off. And I guess today's just like a teacher's in-service day or a work day for them. So he also today has the day off. All the schools in the district are closed. Which is rough because it's like the week before last, it was snow. He missed every day of the week from snow. And then last week, he missed Monday. Mimi and I got to walk on Tuesday, and Thursday it was dumping rain. So it's like, and then today we're not walking. So I'm like, I'm dying. Is it raining? It looks dark, but it's not raining currently. It doesn't really matter. I'm never out this late. It's 1:40 right now. But yeah, usually by now I'm editing, and I'm doing my first noodle cooking right now, so yeah, pretty weird. But I'm just itching to get back to the standard deal. It's about freaking time. That's all I've got to say about it. It's about freaking time. Saw the new Picard. I like it. There's stuff I don't like. If you're a die-hard Star Trek fan, like, I don't know. There's a lot of people that I've known that are diehard Star Trek fans that like Discovery, and I feel like that is the biggest letdown of all time. It's like I thought I wasn't gonna like Enterprise, and then I watched it and I loved it, and then Discovery, and I watched a little of it, and it's just like totally CBS'd out, and they just ruin it. They really worked hard at ruining it for Picard, but it's Picard, so yeah, it's kind of, I don't know. They're making him, they're directing him as they directed Spock in the new movies. So he's like, oh, I'm an old man. Oh, it's like, God, whoever they got doing this is an idiot. But it's still also got that overuse of action cam, which is stupid. It's like, stop putting like more mainstream music in it. Do like the normal score like Next Generation had. The intro is absolutely abysmal. I don't understand what the point is. Like, okay, it's just kind of silly. Show the damn ship. I guess you blew up the damn ship, didn't you? But I'll watch this one. Discovery. I couldn't get the damn Plex to work right on the TV set, so I ended up actually subscribing to CBS All Access. It's $6 a month with limited commercials, which is like, that's a limit of commercials. Are you usually doing like twice as many? Because if you did, that would be the same length as the show. I don't know. Limited commercials. Ugh. And we drain the noodles in this one. This is a cold noodle. Almost forgot that. That's the problem with cold noodles. Actually, that just may be the problem with me, that I always I tend to forget that cold noodles are cold, and then I don't, you know what I'm trying to say. Skizzers. You alright, buddy? Huh? Yeah? And poor Miles has a bit of a cough. He's been hacking a bit, which is very uncool. He usually doesn't at all. I think there's a sick going around. I mean, he goes to school with really young kids. He's 4, so I'm sure there's a good chance that he's brought something lovely home. So it is possible that instead of being able to go walking tomorrow, he'll be homesick. But if he's sick, then I'll take care of my boy. Don't want him going to school sick. It's what? It's the end of January right now. Kind of crazy. It's the 27th today. And the next holiday, of course, is Valentine's Day. I don't know. It's kind of fun with little ones to do the holidays. So yesterday, we all went out walking, which was nice. On the way home, it started dumping rain. But we went and stopped at the Rite Aid and got some, what do you call it? Valentine's cards for him to bring to school. It's like, yeah, dude. And put up some garland. They're like little hearts. I don't know. It's like any reason you can throw up a little bit of a little bit of holiday puke, as it were. I'm down with that. Uh-oh. Dang it. Dang it. Is that speaker really going down? The speaker started... It's beeping. I have to plug it in. It only does that once in a freaking long time. Wow, it's like all feverish about it too. There, that better? There we go. There we go. Alright, so we put the goo in the noodle, and here's what we got. Got a cold noodle. Oh, buddy. Has a nice spicy scent to it. Also, this is more of a warmer months kind of treat. You know, cold noodle on a hot sunny day. Well, let's see how this is. Oh. It's got a burn to it. Wow. I don't know, as far as it being chewier, I don't get that out of these. They remind me that like they're the same exact noodle, but they're definitely spicy. I would almost say spicier than the ones, and then they don't have the, they don't seem as sweet. I don't know. My favorite one that Paldo made in the Bibim line, they made a I believe they made a cucumber flavored one that I reviewed way back during their Meet the Manufacturer, and it was really neat. And cucumber is what you usually add to this stuff. I'm not going to say it's like ultra chewy, but it's good. I will say though, I do think I like the original better. Just saying. I'm gonna push you back a little bit so I can have a little more working space. Alright, here's our noodle, and doing an egg. That's all I got to say about that. Nice little visit to the Aegis now. Come on. I wish I had some cucumber because it's such a good accompaniment. Oh boy, that cough doesn't sound good, kid. That's a mean old cough. I'll have to do something about that. Yeah. There is some Jjol Bibim. Now let's rotate. Go. See if that helps with coughing, okay? All right. Give the boy a little bit of juice. Maybe that'll help. Anyways, yeah, wow, my mouth's still burning. Pretty good stuff. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one and bye.